Hi guys, JezB in the UK with another update video for you on Cash Forex Group or Cash FX Group. And since the last video I did, obviously I had a little bit of feedback from a few people that were kind of a little bit miffed, because my last video was basically saying we'd had an email through from corporate, that's most of the people who would have been in the program, basically making it clear that corporate do not want anyone putting social media posts out or videos on YouTube, etc., showing the back office in so much as showing earnings or making any income statements or income projection statements, etc. And I understand it, guys. There was a few people sort of miffed. Well, how are we going to promote the program if we can't show this, can't show that? Well, the bottom line is that there is enough material available on the site. They have a presentation document, and we're gonna show that in a second. And there's enough information in their own video material that is in the public domain on YouTube. So, it's not to say that there aren't things that you can use to actually go out there and sort of promote the program if that's what you want to do. Now, bearing in mind, with this particular program, they have the bear and the bull. Now, the bear is if you purchase one of the packages, and the minimum level to come in at is $300. Now, that would get you an Academy Pack 90, so $90 is in the educational product, and $210 goes into the trading pool. So if you choose not to actually promote the program and you just want to remain in the trading pool, you have the opportunity there to earn 2x your money, basically up to 200%. Now, bearing in mind, when you do withdraw from the program, there is a 20% withdrawal fee, and those withdrawal fees actually go back into the program, so they're not profit for Cash FX in any way. They actually do pay that back out to the people within the program. And on the actual Academy packs, 100% of those Academy packs is actually used for bonuses within the system, so they pay back even off the educational products. There's they're not sort of gaining any profit from the Academy packs themselves either. So yeah, for people who were a little bit put out by that, that's the deal, guys. I mean, basically they want to make sure that we're all staying compliant and people aren't being sort of brought into a program on the promise of earnings are easily obtainable, or if you sign up loads of people, etc., etc. We've seen that with so many programs in the past, and it's really not worth going down that route again. Let's just keep it as it needs to be, and just follow the sort of compliance side of it. But the point of the update is I actually received some emails through from them today, Saturday, because on the bear side of it, on the Forex side, the trading takes place Monday through to Friday, and any earnings you have from that week are paid out at 12 PM Saturday Eastern time. And also that's when they would pay any bonuses, commissions you have out of the junior level side of the business as well. So I'm just going to show you the email that I had through, and this is one of my Gmail accounts, but you can see there, guys, Cash FX, and I actually had two emails through, and you can see there basically you've got a commission from Cash FX, and I'll just go down here so you can see it is today that we're talking about, Saturday, August 10th, 2019. So you can see now it's 10 past 10 in the evening in the UK. Let me just get rid of that, and we'll go into those actual emails now. Now, as you can see there, the first one I had through was at 5:05 PM today. And basically, dear crypto, as you know, if you sign up using my link, I've gone under Crypto Maze, so they use crypto as the first part. Congratulations, your efforts are paid off. You've got a commission from them, your commissions now, and obviously I'm covering the earnings up as per the required compliance. And then it just basically says, check in your back office for more information, etc. Keep up the good work. We are here to support you. So that was the first one. And this was the second one, literally a minute after, 5:06 PM, we got the second one through. Now, basically what's happened is the reason they've sent two out. One is for a payment from the uni level side of the business, and the other was from the trading pool, which is the sort of the bear side of it, if you like. So yeah, got those two through in today. So you know, it is doing what it needs to do in the background. So you know, I'm certainly, my confidence has grown with what I'm seeing, and it is doing exactly what they said it needed to do. And what we're going to do now, guys, is actually we'll log in. If you use the link below, obviously you'll come in on this address. You can have a look round at the basic sort of backside of the program, if you like, but you won't go through to the main dashboard, because it's only people who register and actually purchase at least the obviously the minimum starter pack, which is the $300 Academy pack. So hopefully that's clear, but we'll log in now and I'll just run you through what I can in the back office. Okay guys, logged into the back office, and basically when you have purchased the trade pack that you decide to go in with, you basically get access to the full back office sort of dashboard. In the first section you'll have your account finance, so it will say you know, the account balance that you've got there to withdraw, leadership status as you buy packages in the program, and also as your team builds out. If you choose to promote the program, you actually get allocated volume points. So as your volume points rise, then obviously your leadership status increases. Right, now you've got bull capital and bear capital. So if you buy, for instance, as I did originally, the $300 pack, which gives you the Academy pack 90. As I say, $90 of that is for the educational product, and $210 goes in the trading pool. Now, the profits that are made on the trading pool, which operates in the Forex sector from Monday through to Friday, actually get credited to your account on the Saturday at 12 PM Eastern Time. So it's around about 5 PM in the UK, and you could see how quickly they do credit. In terms of today, I got emails at 5 minutes past 5 and 6 minutes past 5 telling me what my actual payouts were, which is really cool. So any your profits for the week would get allocated here, and then anything you actually get from the unilevel side of it would actually go into the bull capital area. Okay. So this week I actually started accumulating some in there, and obviously this has increased as well. Right, we'll scan down, and again I may have to cover certain parts up. Okay guys, this is the next section down, and as I've shown in my previous videos, I actually came in with the $300 pack, which puts you into what they call the Elemental series, and that is tying in with the sort of first level, if you like, of the actual educational part of the Forex training as well. And again, to meet the compliancy side of it, I've blocked out, although there's no actual monetary values here, even the percentages I would rather sort of just cover up for the moment. But you can see you basically have two sections. So we have the bear section, which is where the accumulations come from the trading pool. So the 200 for this pack, for instance, for the $210 that trades Monday through to Friday, this is where the actual daily trading and force matrix profits would go. As you can see, I am often running, hence the emails I've had through with the profits I have got. And also there's the bull section here. Now the bull section is if you start to actually promote the program and you're bringing in people into your team. Now to trigger this, you do need to bring in it has to be a personal referral, because although this on the bull section they operate a company force matrix, but obviously if you just get spill basically from your upline, that won't trigger this. So you do need to actually bring in a personal referral to actually trigger this bull side. But it's definitely worth doing, because if you're looking to maximize your return, obviously from the bear side alone, it's 2x on earnings, and if you actually get the bull side going as well, that's another 2x. So effectively, it's forexing the money put in. Now, what the idea would be, literally, as the profits are building, and the bull side can technically accumulate a bit faster even than the bear side. Now, if I want to go to the next pack level and I don't want to sort of have any more out-of-pocket expenses, what I could do is withdraw my funds from this, and as long as my pack, the 300 pack, hasn't expired, then when I do the upgrade option, which I probably will film either tomorrow or Monday, when I actually do the upgrade, I only need to pay the difference, so it'd only be the $200 difference. Whereas if I let this complete and it expires as a pack, then if I want to come in and get the 500, obviously I'll be paying the full 500. So that's quite a nice little feature there, that as you're building profits, not only from, because they'll send a reminder when you're actually at around about 185%, you'll actually get an email saying, you know, you're almost capping out on whichever section it is, and obviously the recommendation will be to do an upgrade, but it's not an automatic sort of purchase, or there's any compulsory thing that you have to upgrade or whatever. You don't. But if you are looking to maximize and build it, then obviously you could look to withdraw the profits and actually upgrade to that next level, if that's what you so choose to do. You're not sort of forced to do that. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of an overview of this section. Obviously these color indicators, just as you progress round, will highlight. So in each of those sections you can see I'm that far in the pack, but we won't say what the percentage is. Daily trading, off and running. Not had anything through from the force matrix just yet. Account referrals were off and running, and uni level, just that tiny little speck there, but we are off and running. So both sections are active here. And we'll go on to the next section. The next section is basically where they'll list any new Cash FX users that have come into your actual matrix. And obviously for privacy, I'm covering the names over there, so I don't want their details to be shown. This one before, I purely think that is just where they've got obviously active users, so it's one of these little chart things. All nice and pretty, but not really of any interest to me. Anyway, let's move on. And I did mention earlier that with regards to reference material, if you are looking to, show this to anyone else, etc., in the back office under resources, they have a section here with all the relevant comp plans. What I might have to do is just adjust this so I can show you the drop down in a better way, so bear with me while I sort that out. There we go, guys. Just had to use a different way of blocking the information out, because basically the section I wanted to show you was obviously being covered over. But in the resources section, the good news is previously only had an English comp plan, Spanish comp plan. You can now see there is availability of a comp plan in French, also one in Hungarian, and also one in Polish. So again, for those of you who are in the relevant countries and make your life easier to have that presentation material in your own language, it is available there in the back office now, which is really cool. Okay guys, that's pretty much where I'm going to sort of round this one off. As I say, I'll be doing another video within the next day or so, because I'm going to do a withdrawal from the program, because I've got to take the funds out, and then I will be upgrading to the $500 pack. And again, I've had a few people asking, they wanted to see how that's done, etc. That part of it I should be able to film, because it's obviously just me purchasing a pack. It's not showing my earnings or anything like that. So hopefully I should be able to film that in a way that you can view it and see what's going on. The withdrawal part, I probably won't film that in so much as the amount I'm taking out and the amount going into my wallet, but I will probably, I should be able to show you where a date is on the screen, etc., but obviously won't be able to show amounts, just to stay compliant on the earnings side of it. But yeah, it's doing what it says on the tin at the moment. I'm very happy with the way it seems to be progressing. Obviously it's early days, and the key part, as anyone who's been in this space for a while, with any form of crypto program, you know, as good as they can appear to be, etc. Always, you know, it's a risky space, and certainly, as the disclaimers with this program would say, also the whole forex sector is very high risk. So, you know, do your due diligence if you are going to go into this program. Obviously, there's other YouTubers out there with informational videos. I would advise looking at as much information as you can before you go into any program like this. And obviously, if you choose to sign up under another YouTuber, then you know that's fine as well. You've got to go with the people that you feel give you the information that you need. Yeah, for me, it's just really charting my journey with this program at the moment. So I'm yes, I have a link below, and I'm looking to build a team. Obviously, why wouldn't I with this program? But you know, if my video just helps somebody perhaps look around on YouTube to find some other material on it, then it's all good. As I say, you can check the basic site out below if you click the link below, but bearing in mind you won't see all of this information until you are actually a member who has purchased one of the packages there. And as I say, to get in the program, it is a slightly higher ticket program, but they've made it, I think, you know, more affordable than some forex programs usually are, with a $300 entry point on this one. So as I say, I'm going to wrap it up there, guys. We've gone over the 15 minutes. Want to keep this nice and short. I will put some links below. There'll be the compensation overplan video, one of the recent behind the scenes interviews that they've done, and any other relevant videos that I can find for you. There will be links below as well. As I say, as I put at the beginning of this video, and as always, do read the disclaimers below, and obviously if you decide to get in, I wish you well. Anyway, that's it for this one. See you on the next one, where we'll actually show you an upgrade being done, and yeah, I will see you on that video. Okay guys, take care, thanks for watching.